Pilipinas and world, ito na po ang inyong mga hosts ng Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11!
Of course,
Here po!
Medyo give the gift ng mga hosts.
As hosts?
Oo, Robin, may cue card tayo eh.
Side.
To the
Pero
right po.
ka-excited ang ating mga hosts.
One more tender here.
Alright, so we'll have more opportunities for photos later. Una tayo. May binulong na si Robby kanina. May kulang pa isa. Of course, kasama rin sa ating mga hosts, Kim Chu! Showtime ngayon. Work si ate galing Birmingham. Okay, pero papatiin muna natin ang ating mga hosts. Let's start with Robby.
Just want to say thank you sa lahat ng mga kapamilya and kapatid, A to Z, na mga kasama po natin friends ng media. Thank you so much for coming.
And of course, Enchong.
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Masaya ako na makasama tayo ulit ngayon. And magbubukas na ulit ng bahay ni India. Kaya excited po kami.
Formal mo!
Hindi pa pumapasok yung kanin sa sistema ko. Pero alam mo si energy mo.
And of course, Quanti!
Yes. Hello sa lahat ng may mga lustrad na panty. Hello, shout out sa lahat ng mga press ko natin dito. Press 1 if you want to answer. Press 2 if you don't want to answer. Salamat sa inyong pagpunta sa amin dito sa ating Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11. And sana mag-enjoy kayo. Super kami nagpapasalamat sa mga press. Dahil talagang dahil sa inyo, ma-spread talaga natin ang news.
Thank you! Di ba ang ating star controller na si Quanti?
Yes!
Of course, Bianca, this is it.
Yay! Hello, good afternoon everyone. Gusto ko magpasalamat syempre sa lahat ng press because ever since season 1 and now we are already at Gen 11. Season 11, 19 years of Pinoy Big Brother. Nandito pa rin yung support na syempre ang laki-laking bagay at ang laking role ng media, ng press sa ingay at success ng PBB every season. So, thank you for being here. Maraming salamat.
And as we enter the 19th year, may bago tayong kasama, Alexa!
Hello po! Hi everyone, good afternoon. First of all, thank you for being here and thank you for the warm welcome.
Alright, siguro po lang tanong natin is, ano ba magiging roles ninyo? Alam niyo na ba kung saan kayo nakatoka sa Pinoy Big Brother?
Ako sa kusina. Kasi siya namin kanina eh. Hindi ko alam kung sino sa script lang. Ano ba yung kami ang magbibigay ng information sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya kung ano na ang mga, sino ang mga housemates. Tayo yung mga housemates. Ano ba housemates?
Kasi si Alexa, I can remember sa interview ko sa kanya, sinabi niya sa akin, she'll do online.
Opo, ako po yung Gen Z bestie ni Kuya online.
Gen Z Bestie! Ganda. Ikaw, Robby, ano ba?
I think ako po yung isa sa mga haliling kay Ate Bianca every single day. And of course, pag election nights.
Oh. Si Encho?
Same every weekend. We will try our best na maging kompleto every weekends. Pero every time na merong big announcement, may eviction nights, we really try to be there for each other and for the housemates.
Okay. Melay?
Kami ni partner ang kami ni Encho ang mag-partner talaga dito. Taga-spread kami ng balita din. And good vibes ang dala namin ni partner.
Okay. B?
Yes, actually kami lahat talaga mga kasama nyo throughout the week. We'll give more details sa airing ng Pinoy Big Brother. Pero yeah, kami ang mga mukhang makikita ninyo araw-araw on TV and online.
Right. So I want to ask you, what can you say now? It's been 19 years, almost 2 decades na, ang Pinoy Big Brother. Robby, what do you want to say?
Yes, I just want to say thank you to everyone for the support. Imagine nyo, tumagal po ang PBB for 19 years at lahat po kami naging bahagi po nito. So, sa lahat po ng patuloy na nag-audition, patuloy na naniniwala sa Pinoy Big Brother, maraming salamat sa pagtitiwala sa mga pangarap nila sa programa. And also, PBB has produced countless personalities.
Grabe, no?
And it reflects the lives of the Filipinos, no? Kaya nga siya tinatawag na ito talaga yung teleserye ng totoong buhay.
I agree. Chong? Ikaw, what do you want to say?
Siguro yung blessings lang na napanood ko siya bilang isang mega hit. Naging national anthem yung Pinoy Ako
That's true.
ng buong Pilipinas. And I still remember nung kasagsagan ng Pinoy Ako na theme song, it was the Southeast Asian Games dito sa Pilipinas. And we were using it as a chant and as a crowd parang booster for the athletes. So, and now being part of the Pinoy Big Brother as a host this time, ang swerte ko kasi parang in-embrace ako ng family. Tsaka yung itong family na nakikita niyo po sa harapan, ito po yung masasabi ko na legit na family. Kahit wala po kaming ginagawang season, program for the year, we still hang out, we still try to see each other, and we still support each other. And I love this family.
Right. Saka, Chong, would you say na talagang sinuyod ng PBB ang buong Pilipinas in looking for the housemates in the past 19 years?
I think ang kagandahan yung sinuyod ng PBB, yung buong Pilipinas, pero ang kagandahan kasi yung Pilipinas, lumalapit din sa amin. Kaya kung makikita ninyo yung places na kung saan nag-audition yung production ng PBB, lines and lines and lines of people are coming. So it's a give and take relationship between our audience and Pinoy people.
And I heard parang ano daw, in 6 years time, this is the first time na ulit nagkaroon ng physical audition.
Face to face.
Face to face. Wow, grabe. Okay, how about the numbers, Bella? Ano bang mga numero ang pwede mo i-share sa amin?
So ito na, this year, I think, this year a total of 20,157.
Okay, wait. Ilista nyo to. May number, specific numbers to
Yes,
nilay.
okay. 20,000 sila nabas sa 4D. Sa 4D. Yeah. This year, a total of 20,157 aspiring housemates ang nag-participate sa ating on-ground auditions.
Wow!
While 15,749 naman ang nag-submit ng kanilang entries for our online auditions. With a total of 35,906 auditionista.
Grabe.
So, congratulations.
So that's the official count.
That is the official. Hindi ko alam kung anong unofficial.
Official count.
Official count.
Basa yung mic mo, ha? 35,906. Saan pumunta yan, Alexa?
All the way from Mega Manila to Naga and Cebu hanggang Mindanao po. Talagang hindi tayo tumigil. Mahagilap lang ang mga new gen Pinoy. Hindi hanap nila.
Grabe. Yun talaga yung suyod.
Yes, sinuyod
Tapos yung
talaga.
online naman, it's pwedeng like from not in the Philippines, no?
Yes, merong mga nagpadala ng videos nila to audition from wherever they are in the world. And bali yung 35,000 plus na yon, lahat po na we'd like to, I guess, tell everyone na lahat ng nagpadala ng kanilang online audition kasi tens of thousands eh, diba? Lahat po yan napanood.
Okay.
And finally, ang 35 plus thousand na yan, si Kuya at ang kanyang team nakahanap ng 67
Grabe.
na naka-shortlist for the final cast.
From 35,067 ang
Shortlisted. And we're not yet done.
Yeah.
Alam na ba ng mga shortlisted sila?
Yes, because may ginanap na final casting very recently. Late nights. Actually, we're allowed to say 2 days yung naging final casting at talagang power panel of ABS-CBN bosses ang hinarap ng mga kasali sa final casting. So yes, lahat ng nasa final 67, alam nila that they're part of the
Kilala niyo?
shortlist.
Oh, no.
Sumilip ako.
Sumilip ka?
Asa Marites ni Gwede, sumilip lang.
What can you say?
Sumuport kay Kuya. Ay, ang galing. Natutuwa ako kasi doon sa maikling oras na nakasilip ako, may galing sa US, may galing sa Mindanao, may galing sa Visayas, may galing sa Luzon. So, magandang mix talaga.
Represented, no? Each region, each island, no? Wow, grabe. Pero ang tanong, ito, Gen 11, what can we expect in Gen 11? Sa new season na to?
Robby.
Maraming salamat, Kuya.
Or baka our DOH or creative chef
Yes.
or Direct Lauren can talk about it. What can we expect sa Chef
Sir Marcos Binuyas.
is back in Manila.
Fresh from Australia.
I know, right?
What can we expect?
Where's the accent?
Then, what can we expect? Siyempre, every season we try to outmatch what we did the previous seasons. But, gaya na sinabi ni Bianca, we just finished the 2 final castings. So, sa totoo lang, prior to the final casting, we had a structure in mind. But, ang aganda kasi ng PBB, sobrang dynamic niya, na kapag nag-final casting kami, doon namin mapipil na parang, ay, parang hindi mag-work yung structure na to. So ngayon, we're in the process of revisiting the original structure and tweaking it para mas pumayon dun sa nakilala namin the last 2 days. So we'd like you to wait for the twist. Of course, it's Big Brother, so expect some twists for the season.
Okay. Direct, may tanong ako. No? I don't know, siguro ito rin tumatakbo sa isip nila ngayon. Itong season na to, kasi wala naka-indicate eh. Is this teens? Is this regular? Is this celebrity?
Gen 11.
Or Gen Z's na? Ano?
Gen 11.
Ang sinasabi
In other words, malalakma mo sa panahon.
But as Marcos was saying, even if we plan out ahead, way ahead, until makaharap namin yung mga posibleng maging housemates, nagbabago at nagbabago. And we're very happy. We had a very challenging 2 days. Kasi sobrang hirap just to choose the top 20 was already very challenging from the 67.
Right.
Actually, to be honest, we ended up more than half of still in the final running. So, nagkakaproblema pa yung creative team kung sino talaga yung makikita natin sana. But they will all go through the same process of medical, psychological tests. So, may mga ganun pa kasing screenings. So, because there are things naman na hindi mo nakikita during the audition and but maybe they cannot endure the pressure or they're not physically healthy for the stress of being a housemate. So, may mga ganun pang natural attrition yan. So, we'll see. Pero exciting talaga. Sobra kami natuwa. So, ako sabi ko, paborito ko lagi ang audition. Salamat dun sa lahat ng humarap sa amin na talagang from all walks of life, all professions. We have doctors, we have nurses, we have architects, at sobrang nakakatuwa just to hear them. Makita silang pumila ulit. Talagang almost the whole day, talagang pumila sila just to be able to be part of Gen 11. Saka, actually masaya na malungkot na marinig na kasi po nung bata pa po ako, pangarap ko lang. So that was what 10 years ago, 9 years ago, kasi teenagers sila hanggang 20. So isa na talaga, whole generation talaga ang naapektuhan ng Big Brother. We're very, very happy and it's a big responsibility for our host and for the creatives to make sure that this time, meron talaga, as always, PBB will impart lessons and values and whatnot.
Pero direct, can you say na final, parang, ilan lang hinahanap nyo talaga? 20 lang ba? 24? Wala kayo dyan.
Kahapon nag-aaway-aaway pa. With Tita Polly. Kasi parang we were so sort of possessive na naman because parang ayusin na namin ito, parang may ibigay pa siya, may gagawin ito. So it's very challenging. They will do a final presentation to us and so we'll present it to management. So sila, they're in the dark. Hindi talaga nila alam. Si Bianca lang ang marites talaga sa akin. Okay naman, natuwa ako, nakita ko siya doon. But there's really a variety of interesting characters. And talagang very enriching. Kami, kahit pagod kami, sarap ng pakiramdam na nakaharap ko sila ulit at nakita ko sila at narinig ko ang kwento na. Always, always very enriching to be able to face real people. So, yun.
Thank you, Direk. Robby, ano ba ang challenge sa inyo ngayon as a host?
I have to say we're the last ones to know inside this house na mangyayari, like what Lola said. Parang, if people ask us, ano ba mangyayari? Kasi kami, hindi din namin alam unless ibigay yung script. And minsan yung final script na ibinibigay sa amin so that we can report out on the spot. Minsan, napapalitan pa. At tulad ng mga nangyari sa previous editions, minsan nga, yung script na ibibigay sa'yo, hindi pa yun yung totoo. May nakatago. So, ang daming twists ng Big Brother sa talagang, it's challenging at the same time exciting. But for this particular season, since Gen 11, we're playing around the idea of Gen, di ba?
Right.
Parang yun ang challenge naman para sa akin personally. Kasi gusto ko malaman kung ano nga ba yung generation ngayon, kung paano gumalaw, paano magsalita. Gusto ko sila intindihin.
Right.
So, that's one big challenge and excitement on that part.
Melay, bakit sa tingin mo, 19 years na yung PBB, pero ganoon pa rin yung interest ng mga tao to join and be part of PBB?
In English.
Recitation pala po. Hindi ako talaga. Alam mo bakit? Parang ang Pinoy Big Brother kasi parang naging tradisyon na siya ng Pinoy eh. At saka, siyempre, nag-iisa lang ba yung bahay ni Kuya? Hindi naman ito Pinoy Big Brother Village, di ba? So, dahil nag-iisa lang siya, 12 lang pinapasok sa isang year. So, talagang lahat talaga gustong makabisita, gustong malaman kung ano ba talaga ang power, kung bakit na, ano ang emosyon na mararamdaman mo sa loob ka ng bahay ni Kuya. So, I think yun talaga ang reason kung bakit hanggang forever na talaga tong Big Brother. Kasi hindi niya makikita ang bilyon naman natin na populasyon ng Pilipinas. Diba? So, parang tradisyon na talaga siya ng Pilipinas na talaga, tapos kakantahin natin yung Pinoy ako, maganda, asarap.
Saka siguro nakikita nila paano naging successful din yung
Pero ay, busy ko guys, talagang isa din yun. Marami na rin na parang kumikitang kabuhayan din sa mga households. Kasi hindi naman din lahat kasi pinapalad.
Totoo naman.
Kaya lang natin mag-reality check talaga tayo. Magkakala ninyo, pagpasok nyo, mayaman agad kayo. Hindi pwede yan. Kailangan talagang i-enjoy nyo muna ang loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Huwag kayo mag-isip na parang gano'n ang iniisip nyo. Kasi kung ganyan, baka hindi nyo ma-push yung pangarap nyo na maging winner.
Ganit ka ba?
Alis na ako ngayon.
Ganda ng pagkasagot ni Melay. So, anong advice naman? I'm sure yung 67 na yan na shortlist na nakikinig sa atin ngayon.
Totoo.
Nanonood ng media con yan.
Hello sa lahat ng nanonood sa
Anong
live
advice
stream.
na mabibigay mo, Chong?
Ako naniniwala ko dun sa statement naman talaga ng Pinoy Big Brother, which is magpakatotoo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. But at the same time, hindi kasi siya period yung statement na yun. For me, it's a comma that says after, magpakatotoo ka. Pero kapag nalaman mo na meron ka palang pwedeng baguhin sa sarili mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, it's an opportunity for you to better yourself.
Magandang avenue din yun di ba?
Kasi kailangan mong matuto sa pagkakamali mo,
Right.
kung paano mo pakitunguhan yung isang tao sa isang tao. So, yun lang, magpakatotoo ka pero intindihin mo pa rin yung, huwag mo kalimutan makipagkapwa-tao.
Pero the courage to share that in front of everybody on national television, iba din yun, The guts to do that.
Test of character.
Diba? Test of character. Tama. Alexa, paano naman ang magiging feel ng online world with you?
Pakiramdam ko po ang ambag ko dito talaga is, sabi nung staff ganda, hindi joke lang. Ang ambag ko po talaga dito, I believe is a set of fresh new eyes.
The hurt.
Ate dati na yan!
Sinabi mo.
Ayun, a set of fresh eyes and may ipapamalas ko din sa mga tao online yung perspective ng Gen Z, yung values, opinions, and pakiramdam ko dahil during my season, mas nag-focus kami sa online, hopefully I could bring in an online audience as well.
Saka natuwa ko na na-manifest yung...
True! This is a manifestation turned into a reality.
I know, the new path na gustong i-take ni Alexa, which is hosting. Okay, so kung ang tanong nyo, kailan ba i-reveal ang mga housemates? Eto na, mark your calendars. This coming July 15 to 19, prepare yourselves for an exciting quest to discover the newest stars and the next generation of housemates on Star Hunt, the audition show, hosted by our very own Melay Reynolds. Yun po yung pangalan ng show, Star Hunt, the audition show. Dito, masya-show kami nagkakapasa nila.
Nakakit yung mga kasama ko dito.
Kaya pala ng libre ng pizza.
Hindi kasi na-advance pa niya yung sweldo ko dun sa church.
Alam ko katas ng one-on-one
Kasi nagastos na yun.
Nagastos na. So sa show po na to, it will showcase the journeys of thousands of aspiring housemates and star magic artists hopefuls. We will also reveal one housemate per day doon sa show ni Melay. So don't miss it.
Yes, lahat ng journey ng ating mga housemate na sinala nila Direk Lauren, nila Ma'am Cory, at talagang mapapanood nyo doon. Kaya please don't miss it.
Anong date ulit? July 15?
July 15 to 19.
Okay, and then the following day, July 20, ito na po ang grand kick-off ng Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11! So I'm sure, makikita niyo si Robbie, si Bianca, si Enchon, si Alexa, saka si Bella,
Si Kim.
at si Kim sa tapat ng bahay ni Kuya for that grand kick-off day.